I'm doing another medicine video. This time it's harmful effects of vaping. Now the vaping culture is very common amongst a lot of people these days, and usually there is like tobacco in it, or sometimes there's marijuana in it. So what are the harmful effects? Now if we start with our brain, what happens to our brain when you vape for a very long time? You get tremors, anxiety, confusion, attention problem. Okay, so these are the normal. Then you get nicotine addiction. Of course, there's nicotine in it, so you'll get addiction to it. There's headaches, dizziness, seizures, learning and mood disorders. So that's it. For eyes, you have irritation and blurring of vision. You get irritation and can cause gum diseases in the mouth. You also can get like a sore throat, like a very severe sore throat, which you will need to, take antibiotics for it, because viral sore throat can also lead to bacterial sore throat. Okay. We also have heart. Now what happens to your heart? You have increased risk of heart attack, stroke, and severe chest pain, I would have to say. Then we have stomach and intestines. What happens to your stomach and intestines? You can get vomiting, nausea, abdominal pain. Now if you're doing this every single day, if you're vaping every day, so these are the symptoms that you will get over time. You will get nausea, abdominal pain, you will get vomiting. You might not notice it initially, but later on, after a couple of years or months, you will feel the difference. You will feel some health problems pouring up, tremors and, learning and mood disorders, blurry vision, that sort of thing. Of course, we can talk about our lungs. What happens here is you get rapid, shallow breathing, coughing, wheezing, and then permanent lung damage, because all these, like vaping has like that effect. Okay, we have nicotine in it, and it over time it causes certain chemicals to be released which cause permanent alveoli damage and permanent bronchi damage. Then we have the immune system. Now this is the immune system being shown over here. It can harm your immune system and you'll be prone to more illnesses. So I would have to say that if somebody is doing vaping for a very long time, is more prone to viruses or viral attacks, So again, we have arteries over here. What does it do to your arteries? It can cause increased blood pressure and risk of heart attack and stroke. So these are very, very risky side effects of vaping. Imagine getting a heart attack at a very young age, or even getting a stroke where you're paralyzed. So I do feel that you need to look into it. A lot of young boys and girls are into vaping these days, and it really attracts you. Some people do it with marijuana, some people do it with nicotine, but it does. Imagine nicotine has so much bad effects, so what would marijuana do? So my next topic is marijuana. What happens when you smoke marijuana for a very long time? And so I do feel like if you are one of those youngsters, or even someone who is trying vaping for the first time, you should remember the harmful effects of it. Maybe if you really like it, you can just do it occasionally, but I would suggest that if you are getting any of these symptoms, it could be because of the vape. Alright, I hope you liked my video. I am Dr. Sanamia Boy, and I will be trying to give you more and more information regarding medicine, different topics. If you have any topic in mind, please do let me know in the comment section. Alright, take care, bye.